welcome to BigBasket. Let's transform a corner of the room into a cozy and comfortable reading nook. You'll need your favorite books and some plants together. Don't forget to watch the video till the end to participate in our exciting giveaway contest. To start with, place a big bold Erica palm in the corner to add height and to give the entire makeover a starting point of reference. The next most important thing for this corner decor is this shelf. When selecting a bookshelf for such an arrangement, make sure the size of the shelf complements the height of the corner. Bookends play a big role when it comes to creating a reading setup. This is the one we have and it's super useful. You can accommodate numerous books in it without worrying about them falling out of the shelf. Investing in 1 or 2 bookends is indeed worthy. They're available both offline and online. We got this one from a local shop and aren't they absolutely wonderful? There's no simpler or better alternative than adding more plants when creating a cozy setup. All the plants we've used for this decor are easy to care for. Water these plants when the top few inches of the soil feel dry and use organic liquid manure once a month. And you're good to go. Plants and books truly always complement each other. To add to the magic, we'll place this beautiful miniature of Buddha, who's the epitome of peace and wisdom. We'd also recommend to have a singing bowl if you love healing and meditation. Books, plants, Buddha miniature, and the singing bowl all add to the overall serenity of the setup. Together they can change the vibe. We're also placing a corner table to keep a few things handy. Add a peace lily plant to add onto the table. Again, very easy to maintain and even a beginner can keep and maintain one. A cute little pen stand, your current read along with the journal. The idea of having such a nook is to create a harmonious and inviting environment that you love coming home to. This is a command hook and you can remove it just by pulling the sticker and it will not damage your wall. A perfect find for your rented apartment. The hook here can easily hold this big painting of Lord Buddha. Next, for floor sitting, we'll spread this jute rug which is comfortable and has a minimalist look. Neutral colors like white, beige, grey, off-white are always great for this kind of setup. But to break the monotony, always add a pop of color like these cushion covers. Else, the entire decor might look flat and boring. Earthy and wooden things also complement this look very well. So here comes another one, a wooden tray, some essential and ornamental things to keep on top, and just like that, the corner has transformed into a cozy, comfy, green and tranquil corner, where you can read, relax with a cup of tea or coffee, brainstorm with your peers, meditate, or even take a small afternoon nap if you want. We hope you enjoyed watching this corner decor as much as we enjoyed creating this. When you create one such for yourself, don't forget to add your personal touch. Remember, your space should be a reflection of your own personality. Now it's time for the giveaway question. Which book did we place on the corner table? Answer in the comments section below and stand a chance to win a voucher from BigBasket. But do subscribe to the channel first to fulfill the basic eligibility criteria. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care and happy reading.